Hi everyone! I'm just going to do a quick tutorial to explain how to add photos and videos or any other files you might need to attach to assignments on Teams. So I took some screenshots with the help of Miss Nort and Miss Roselli. These were from Miss Roselli's phone. So your app may look slightly different, but it should be similar on an iPad or device. So the first thing you want to do is along the left-hand side of Teams, you want to find that Assignments tab, or you can find the assignments within the channels. Either way, if you pull up the Assignments tab, it will list all of the assignments that are open, and you click on the assignment that you would want to submit photos or videos of. So for this example, I will use this third one here, which is tie-dyed paper towel art. So you're going to click on the assignment you want, and then it's going to pop up, and it's going to tell you the materials or descriptions of how to do the activity. This one has a video attached that'll give you more help if you want to see how it's done. And then you'll see up here there's a turn in. Don't click that yet because your work needs to be added first. See down here, you want to click My Work to attach your files. And this is your little clue right here. It's got the little paper clip. That's where you're going to click to add your files. So then it's going to say attach a resource. This is where you're going to choose where you're going to add your stuff. So you can click either new file or upload from this device. If you have the photos on a phone, you're going to use upload from this device, or if you have it on your iPad and you're uploading from your iPad, click upload from this device to attach any videos or photos that you've already taken. It's going to give you options. Select photo library if you already took the pictures, so you're just going to add them from stuff you've already taken from your photo library. Select take photo or video if you want to take the photos and videos as you're doing the submission. So if the kids are doing it now, you can click on this and you can take video or photos right in the moment as they're doing the activity. You can submit as many files as you'd like, so you can also submit a combination of photos and videos. After you've added them there, the files will now show up in the My Work section. So you can take a look right here where it says Add Work, and whatever file was there is right here. And then you're going to go up to here. This is where you're going to click that Turn In. Unless you click Turn In, it will not submit your work. So again, on this page, you're going to double check that your files are here. There may be multiples. And then the Turn In button. Once you turn it in, it'll say turned in with the date and time, and a little check mark will show up that your work has been sent. So that is how you can turn your stuff into assignments if you've been having trouble or you just want a quick refresher to remember for next time. Thanks.